Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this one we are going to be learning how to find top artists in 2023 on Spotify app. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. Simply head over to Spotify and you can see now Spotify is opened. So to find the latest artist or the top artist in 2023, you can simply head over to search, and here you can see we have the search bar on top. We can simply search for hits 2023 and you will be come along with the playlist highlighting different type of artists that are going on the top, and that's how you can find some really cool stuff to listen. So that's my strategy to find latest trends on Spotify. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.